There we go. We're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is called Fusion. It's an Instagram Threads artificial intelligence app that is getting traffic, getting sales, making the money. And I'm starting on this particular part right here. First off, it's a $17 for the front end offer. There's a $5 off discount coupon code. If you click the link in the video description, it'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Save you $5, bring it down to $12. And I'm going to show you some things that I make you go, wow, look at this. So here we go. Real proof. Here's Billy Darr. He's the guy who's selling this. And he says, you can see here. What do I want to show you? Right there. We grew to 1,200 followers and $5,520 in 7 days flat. So, yeah, there you go. So they show you the followers. They show you the money. And I'm going to show you this part, the traffic. This is the part that really got me excited. Is not only, so this is them from Instagram Threads, which is a new feature, and you can see they're getting traffic between 500 and 1,000, a lot of 1,800 kind of level traffic, and that's really good numbers. But what's even more exciting is they're doing about 5% sales. So you can see here on the right-hand column, 22, 34, 46, 38, 55, 41, 36 sales on each of the days. That's mental. Again, this is a $17 piece of software. $5 off discount coupon codes can cost you $12. The link's in the video description. It's called Fusion, fresh out from Billy Darr. If you go to my site, I'm not showing you here, I'm showing you the end result site. But if you go to my site at marketingsharks.com, you'll see there's a demo video there. There is a bit of I'm going to have to sneeze here. I'm going to sneeze. I can feel it coming on. Sorry about that. I'll bet you that was really loud. Okay, I'm going to cut it short then, because that's crazy. So the link's in the video description. You click the link, go check out Fusion, fresh out today. It's a top seller, and you can grab it for $12. At the bottom of the discount of the blog post at marketingsharks.com is the $5 off discount coupon code. So scroll to the bottom. You can read the demo. You can see the upgrade offers. You can read a description of it. Grab the discount coupon code. Click the product box. You're on this page, and you can save $5, get it down to $12. Go check it out. All about the very hottest new thing, Instagram Threads. Go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com.